So Honor just announced the 400 Pro and also the 400. And if you are thinking of buying these phones, you might be asking, which one to buy? So in this video, I help you decide lah. What's up guys, Jason smashpop here. So if you're planning to get the Honor 400 series, you might be asking a very big question. Pro or non-Pro? What are the differences? Okay, so let's talk about the design. When it comes to the non-Pro version, you will get to see that at the back there are two cameras, the sides are flat, and the screen is also flat. Now compared to the Pro version, at the back there are three cameras, on the side it's curved, and the screen also has curved edges, okay? So if you are someone who is into like the curvy, smooth design, then the Pro version is for you. But if you are into like the flat one, then maybe the non-Pro. Now color-wise, both of the versions, they have the black and also the blue version. The only difference is the non-Pro, they got this gold, and the Pro, they got this grey. Now next comparison, let's talk about battery. You know what? Although the non-Pro version is smaller, both have same size battery, which is 6000 mAh. So what's different here? Charging, okay? So the Pro version can charge up to 100 watts and the non-Pro is up to 80 watts. I mean, if you think about it, there's not much difference here because 80 is already super fast. So there's no fuss about this, like you want to get a Pro also can, non-Pro also can, you know, because both are fast. When it comes to the display, both they produce very good quality visuals and also colors. Like what you're seeing here, okay, you don't even know whether I'm watching video from which model, 400 Pro or non-400 Pro, correct? Because both are very nice. It's just that, like what I mentioned just now, one is curved edges, one is flat. And size-wise, this thing is 6.7 inch and this is a little bit smaller, 6.55, around there. Now, both of the screens, they have similar features. For example, peak brightness up to 5000 nits, which is the current highest level of brightness for screen, okay? And it also features Honor's signature 3840Hz high frequency PWM dimming for eye protection, ensuring that your eyes are not irritated by the flickering and also the using of phone in low light. They also share the same features like circadian night display and also AI defocus. Now when it comes to the camera, okay, it's a little bit different because on the Pro you got 3 lenses and on the non-Pro you got 2 lenses, but the lenses that they have are very similar. The main sensor is actually 200 megapixels on both phones, and they also have a 50 megapixel selfie camera on the front, including a 12 megapixel ultra wide. Now the additional lens on the Pro is actually a 50 megapixel telephoto zoom. So if you are someone who is into, you know, shooting buildings or shooting birds or shooting, you know, scenery and all, I think you might need the extra lens on the 400 Pro. So apart from the extra lens, both actually share similar features. For example, Hardcore Studio 2.0 for all your portrait photos, AI features like AI image to video, like what I'm doing here with Woody, turning the photo into real Toy Story video. Other than that, AI outpainting, AI eraser, AI cutout, AI face tune, AI upscale, and also AI motion sensing capture. Speaking of AI, Honor phones now, it's full of AI features, okay? So the 400 series, they also have similar AI features like the Magic 7 Pro. For example, AI deepfake detection, AI subtitles, AI writing tools, AI translation, AI summary and minutes, Google Lens, and also Circle to search. But processor-wise, got difference. Listen carefully. For the Pro version, you actually have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, but the non-Pro version is Snapdragon 7 Gen 3. It is one generation before. Now, when it comes to durability, you can see all the details on the side, okay? But I want to tell you that don't worry whether you choose the Pro or non-Pro, because both can resist drops like what I just did, and also water resistant, so you can wash your phones anytime you want. Okay, so now that you know what are the differences and also the same things that you have on both phones, let's talk about pricing, okay? So as you can see on the screen now, the pricing for Honor 400 Pro starts from 2000 plus and the Honor 400 starts from 1000 plus, depending on what specification you want, okay? But apart from that, you also get free gifts. Okay, I actually like the free gift for the 400 Pro more, which is the Fujifilm Instax Mini and also 1 year extended warranty. But if you get the Honor 400, you get more free gifts. For example, Honor Choice Active Noise Cancelling Headphones, double storage, but you only need to pay 1899 and get 512GB storage, okay? And 1 year extended warranty. So for all this, is included when you pre-order, and the pre-order period is 22nd May to 29 May. So if you want, click on the link in the description below, okay? So hopefully this video is able to help you decide whether you should get the 400 or the 400 Pro. Share this video with your friends and follow me on all social media platforms. My name is smashpop and I'll see you in the next video. Yo.